Hey guys, what's going on? I have a new grill. It's a Master Build Series vertical smoker. I'm about to show you in a second, but today we're gonna be making a smoked pork butt. It has a mustard rub on the outside. We have added salt, pepper, granulated garlic, sage powder, a bit of cumin, mustard, and made a nice wet rub. And then we rubbed it all around the pork butts. The pork butts are boneless, not bone in. And I have two pieces, they're about 2 pounds a piece. I put them into trays and wrap them with foil. The reason for that is when the fat melts and you get all that liquid from the pork butt, it kind of turns into its own brace in a way. So it stays nice and moist. You get a good smoke, but you get that beautiful flavor of smoke into the pork. One of the great features about this grill that I love, this vertical grill slash smoker, is the digital face. It comes with an application, so you could literally set up what time you want to cook it for. So for the pork butts, we are doing 4 hours at 250 degrees. So how does it maintain the temperature? It has a cool fan underneath. So the fan kicks on, keeps it at 250 degrees for 4 hours, giving you that perfect smoke and tender, juicy pork butt. We are officially 2 hours into the smoke. The grill is clean. The heat is coming from underneath here, so there's no direct flame. The flame is right in here, feeding it through a fan. So it's getting really nice, good color. Let's take a peek in there. You guys see that liquid? That's what I was talking about. So the liquid itself is gonna keep it nice and moist. Keep cooking our pork the right way, so when we get into it, we get some beautiful slices. Our exciting moment. Here's the pork butt. Let's open her up. Man, that looks unbelievable. Super tender, you know, just falling apart like it should. Can't wait to put this into the dish I want. But here is a mustard rubbed pork butt. And here's the liquid I was talking about. Allow the moisture to keep. So we're gonna have a nice tender, juicy, flavorful pork butt. So the pork butts are finally done. I mean, they look absolutely delicious. I'm gonna put one right over here. I did trust them, I took the string off already. But if you could take a look at it, it's still full. It has the juices in it, tender. The smell, I used applewood in there to give it that apple smoke, along with the ingredients that we use. Absolutely amazing, and the flavors really came out on point. So I'm gonna cut this up for you guys. So if you take a look at, we have a nice smoke ring right over here, and that's just nice flavor that penetrated into the pork. So this is absolutely beautiful. I'm really happy about this, how it came out, and I hope you guys enjoy it.